Okay, we are back. This is Garvin, and I'm a software engineer. And I've been just playing around with, LLMs, vibe coding, just seeing what their capabilities are, and just trying out new tools. Today, well, first of all, I've been doing so in the past couple of videos. I've basically been recreating this Roku application using different tools. I've tried Claude, I've tried Gemini, I've even tried OpenCode. Today, I want to try out Google's new CLI tool called Antigravity. So here you can see that I have my previous attempts at creating an app. This is one I think I created with Gemma on the right. Actually, both of these work. The one on the left I think I created with Claude, but essentially I start off with this prompt. I have improved the prompt a little bit. At some point, what I want to do is create an iOS expert that I can prompt and have it create an app where it knows what all the right tools are, how to debug, and all of that stuff, and have it create an app super quickly and efficient. For now, I'm just playing around, experimenting with tools and stuff like that, and just seeing how little I can have or know about a topic and have the LLM figure it out and create it. So, anti-gravity, so AGY is am I signed in? Oh, I may not be signed in. Hang on a second. Whoa. Actually, where is this? I don't see. I don't have my proper monitor set up for this because it's not moving over. Okay, I know what to do. All right, now I can move it over. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna move over so I could sign in. I mean, there's really not much here. What the code? Really? Okay, that's odd. Never seen that before. Okay, terminal. All right, so this is my first time using anti-gravity on this machine. What should I use? I don't know. Too many different options. Dark mode, colorblind mode, solarize. That's a little too. Terminal is fine. Sorry, Google. How do you? I don't want to. Yes, I can. I want to trust this folder. All right. So I'm going to paste my prompt. What model am I using right now? So we are using 3.5 flash. Let's just use high. Oh, should we use pro high? Oh, yeah, 3.5 flash. Or should we use low? Let's use low. Okay. So we haven't used this model before. I think we had used 3.1 Pro before, so let's try this new Flash model and see what happens. As usual, we paste in our slightly improved prompt. I should have. Okay. Actually, I should have enabled all permissions. Let's do this. Let's do this. Always proceed. Auto approve all tools. Haha. Don't try this at home. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the new tool, Antigravity. I don't know that I see much difference. I guess, well, I guess I would say that this looks a lot more like Claude CLI than it does the Gemini CLI. I felt like in the Gemini CLI they put a lot more work into just the, I don't know, look and feel UI, whatever you could do for TUI. This reminds me more of what Claude looks like. So we'll see. Maybe I should play some music or something, or some sort of track while this stuff is thinking. But anyway, so the goal here is really simple. We Roku devices have an open protocol where, as long as it's on a network, you can make API calls to control the device. You can turn it on. You can listen. You can switch channels, pause, play, forward, like seek, stuff like that. So you can. It's just a media device, and so you have media controls. The key aspect of this, though, is that you need to be able to actually discover what Roku devices are on the network. Once you discover it, then you know the address, then you can send commands to it. So right now on my network, I do have a Roku device, and I do have a Roku device. It's actually listed somewhere in here. I think it's this one. I don't remember. I do have a Roku device, and so I will know. Oh, I pressed the button and it turned it off. I will know. I will know when this device actually works from the. Oh, I think it was actually. Oh, it found a Roku. That's actually funny. I thought that was me pressing buttons, but that's actually Antigravity and Gemini figuring out that it found the it actually found the device. So all checklist items and the milestones are fully completed. Okay. So I think what it says, it successfully generated, built, deployed, and tested the Roku application. I'm almost certain in my instructions I said make the I don't know which one it is. I have a million here at this point. What emulator did you deploy to? 17 is this one. Start the app. Okay, there we go. Now that is. Now I don't know if that's cheating or not, because it popped up immediately. I It popped up immediately with the one device. I've never actually had this happen before. Usually, I have to do a little bit of, you know, quote unquote prompting, like they say in tech interviews when someone isn't quite there yet, but they probably will figure it out with a few hints. And so I've had to hint here and there to say, hey, try this, what about this? And eventually, for the most part, I've gotten the LLM to figure out how to do this. It's actually impressive that I basically just put in this one prompt and I have the app running and it was able to discover the device. I don't know how. I hope it didn't cheat by pre-filling the IP address in there. I don't know. Is discovery working or did you discover side of iOS and insert? So is discovery working or did you discover outside of iOS and insert the device manually? Okay. Let's see. The discovery engine was working natively inside the iOS. I did not hard code any manual insert the device. The auto discovery engine is fully implemented in Swift and in Roku Discovery.swift. It opens the standard UDP socket to iOS and binds it and sends it. Okay. All right. If you say so. Why does the searching network not go away? Okay. Okay, that's fine. So, previous version, both discovery tasks ran on separate threads, and I had omitted setting is searching. What does it mean by both tasks? I don't know. Dispatch group to coordinate both asynchronous process. Okay, that is fine. Let's just move on. And oh, this is nice. Just okay. This is actually impressive. Maybe it found something somewhere. I'm just. How does this is? I haven't done anything yet. And it works too. This is probably going to be my shortest. This is crazy. I don't know. This is crazy because this was so quick. I didn't have to do anything. And it's already working. The app is visually okay. Literally something that I could install to my phone right now and start using it as a Roku Remote. So I don't I don't even know what to say. I didn't even have to tell it to adjust the visuals or anything like that. And it also did it really quickly. You could hear the TV in the background. And I'm gonna pause it. Which, I'm just gonna move to something else so you can see that it stopped. In the future, I'll probably put a camera or something so you can see. I'm gonna turn it off. Is the power off button not? Oh, this. So this this since this is a LA, it doesn't support power on and off, so that's fine. The thing that I would love to try though is the Bluetooth. Well, the I want to do the streaming audio via the device, via the iOS device. I would love to try that. Probably not tonight. I'm just excited that this just pretty much worked one shot. I didn't have to do anything. I don't know how much of it is the new tooling. I also don't know how much of it is just this new model, but it was extremely fast. Like, how long have we been streaming now? A couple minutes. And it basically created a working iOS app with all the requirements that we asked for. And yeah, I'm impressed. All right. Well, till next time, I will probably, well, not probably, I will be trying out the new Opus. I think it's 4.8 to see how well it does. And same as this, I'll update to the latest Claude CLI version. I'll also probably try to use a different tool as well. I want to play around with other tools like Goose or even Cursor. I don't have a Cursor subscription though, so yeah. Um, let's see how well these tools work and keep playing around. And I'll probably also need to find some other projects to try. Well, I do have other projects to try, but other projects that I want to stream. So till next time, thank you very much. I'm out.